How to make Wix website fit all screens. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make Wix websites fit all screens. Okay, so at this point, I must let you know that there are two screens on the Wix website: the mobile screen or mobile view and the desktop view. And the ways whereby you can fit them is as follows. The first thing to do, as you can see, is to log into your Wix account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you've selected the site that you want to fit all screens, the next thing for you to do is to click on design site, which is located by the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so just wait for it to load. All right, once it loads, you'll be directed to the Wix website editors page. That is where our focus in this tutorial. So once it has loaded, you would see that the um you've been brought to your Wix website editors page. Now on this editors page, by the left side of the screen, you will see an option page, right, and then home, and then next to it you will see desktop view and then mobile view. So currently the website is in desktop view, that's why it is this wide. And for you to make the desktop view fit in into this screen, all you need to do is just to edit this page and it's going to be fine. All right, it's going to be wonderful as a desktop view. But if you want to make it fit as a mobile view, just go over to the mobile icon and then click on it. Once you click on it, it will be adjusted. As you can see, you can decide to click on let's go or skip depending on what you want to do. And then once you're back to this screen, next thing for you to do is to edit this page to make it fit into the mobile view. All right, so how can you edit this page? By working on the welcome section. This is a strip. You can just edit this the way you want, same as the header, the footer as well. You can also add new pages by clicking on the plus icon here. That is, you can see add to mobile. When you click on it, you'll see the list of options that you can add to the mobile, to the image, this button, decorative box, etc. Okay, so once you play around all of this and then you make this look professional, it will be able to fit into mobile device as well. Okay, so this is basically how you can make Wix website fit into all screens, both for the desktop and for the mobile. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.